Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are on Chapter 6, Lesson 9, Estimating Quotients. We are going to be working with division now with decimals instead of multiplication that we've been working on for the past chapter. Also, please note, happy Friday, and we do not have school Monday, so happy 3-day weekend also. But we will start back on Tuesday, and you'll have a Check My Progress worksheet to do. So let's get started and dive into Lesson 9. Example 1, it says Miss Grover buys 2 kites for a total of $15.18. If each kite costs the same, about how much did each kite cost? Explain your answer. Explain why your answer is reasonable. Okay, so Mrs. Bliley already went and highlighted 2 kites and $15.18. These are the two numbers that we will be dividing to figure out the cost of each kite. So when we are dividing, Mrs. Bliley, there is a typo in our book, so Mrs. Bliley is going to make a correction to it, so this actually makes sense. I would like you to change $15.18 to $15.78. This will help us round correctly and properly. So we have $15.78 divided by 2. Is $15.78 closer to 15 or is it closer to 16? 16. And then we are going to divide by 2. Remember, always, multiplication is the opposite of division, so you can think in your mind and do it backwards. And do 2 times what gives me 16. 2 times 8 gives me 16. We're going to bring down that 16. So $15.78 divided by 2 is about $8. Since 2 times 8 is 16, and 16 is close to $15.78. Fabulous. Let's move on to the second problem. It says, example 2, 3 friends went out to dinner. The total cost of their meals was $32.57. If the friends split the bill evenly, about how much will each person pay? Explain your answer is reasonable. So we are going to estimate $32.57 divided by 3 by rounding. So Mrs. Bliley quickly is just going to highlight our information in our word problems so we know exactly what we need to do. We have $32.57 as well as 3 friends went out to dinner and they are splitting the bill 3 ways. So we have our problem down here. We are going to round $32.57. Is that closer to 32 or 33? 33. And we're just gonna, sorry, that's a 3. We're gonna bring down our 3. Next, we're going to divide. We have 33 divided by 3. You can also do the opposite. 3 times what gives me 33? 11. Each friend will pay about $11. We're going to check for reasonableness. 3 times 11 is 33. And 33 is very similar, or about $32.57. Mrs. Bliley is going to do a few more with you, and then I will have you do independent practice for today's work. I would like you to look at number 1. We have $19.50 divided by 5. Is $19.50 closer to 19 or 20? 20. We're going to put 20 in the box. We're going to do 20 divided by, bring down that 5. 20 divided by 5 gives me 4. Let's look at number 2. We have $47.25 divided by 25. Okay. Is $47.25 closer to 50 or 45? 50, bring down my 25. Now you can think about this like quarters if we were doing money. If we have 50 cents and we divide it by 25, how many quarters do I have? 2. Lastly, let's do number 3. We have 16 and 8/10 divided by 4. Is this closer to 16 or 17? In this case, they're saying it's closer to 16, but as you and I both know, it's closer to 17. I don't know why this book does this. I apologize. We could pretend this is 16.4 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 gives me 4. Okay, for the next page, I would like you to try it. This whole page 4 through 6, or excuse me, 4 through 13. Please remember that you are rounding and then dividing. And if you get stuck when you're dividing, just do the opposite, which is the whole number times what gives me the answer. If you have any questions or you need a reteach or any additional support, please come to our live time at 11:30 to 12:30 on our Google Meet. I will be waiting for you. Have a great weekend, and I hope to see you soon.